Hey, it's Ron with Concourse Auto Salon, and with all the information you see on the internet these days, you're probably wondering what's the difference between paint protection film and ceramic coatings. Now, paint protection film is basically a clear piece of plastic that has a self-healing outer coat here, and then it has adhesive on the back side, which keeps it adhered to the front of your vehicle or the entire vehicle. And once it's on there, is really hard to basically puncture or penetrate it. I mean, I'm pushing pretty hard here, trying to get the screwdriver through it, and we haven't punched a hole in it. So a ceramic coating is a liquid that comes in a bottle like so, and it gets applied to the exterior of the vehicle. Paint goes on top of paint protection film. It also goes on wheels, and we apply it to windshields. I hope this little bit of information helps you make an informed decision in protecting your new car. This is Ron at Concourse Auto Salon. We hope to see you soon.